How to create material transfer receipt in Businet. Users can create material transfer receipt against transfer type such as branch or warehouse. Further, users need to select source, destination, warehouse, and branch, along with requisition number and issue number. Once all the mandatory details are selected, items will be auto-populated. Once document is approved, users can generate PDF print of the respective document. Thank you. For more details or queries, please contact Businet team.